What's going on, guys? Kenny here. Today we're going to be talking about small business insurance. I'm going to show you 6 different options you could choose for your business, why you need insurance, where to get it, how much should it cost you. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't yet. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I make a video. I've been trying to make a video daily. Make sure you watch to the end and let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back. So the first thing I want to talk about is business structure. That is either an LLC or a corporation. Now there are multiple corporations to choose from: S corporation, C corporation. I'm not going to get into the specific corporations in this video, but I do got to tell you, you need to have one or the other. If you ever get a lawsuit in your business, you're not going to lose any of your personal properties. No one can come for your house or your vehicles. It will be strictly into your business. If you're a sole proprietor, you're not covered under this basis. It's only a few $100 to get an LLC or a corporation for your business. This will cover you for any headaches in the future. You definitely don't want to involve your family or your personal property you work so hard for to lose it for something that happened on a job site. So make sure you get yourself either an LLC or a corporation, everything in between from an accident and stuff. This is what insurance fills in the gap, and let's go through those insurances right now. Guys, so I want to show you the 3 most important insurance, at least for our company. I own a tree service company, like some of you guys know. The first one is property insurance. This will cover you from theft or damages to your property, whether it's your machines, your chainsaws, etc. Number 2 is liability insurance, and I believe one of the most important one. This is where you are covered on a job site. If you were to drop a tree on someone's property or damage someone's car, you are fully covered. Now, most insurance companies, they do have what they call a deductible. And sometimes that could be pretty high depending on the kind of insurance you have. If your deductible is going to be higher than the damage is done, then I would just pay out of pocket. We've hit a couple of fences before, etc. Small things. What I do is I just pay out of pocket. This avoids any insurance claim and increasing my insurance premium over the years. So in the long run, it's just cheaper just to pay out of pocket. Obviously, the best thing you could do is try to avoid any damages, but of course accidents happen. It's part of life and we can't avoid it, but this is one of the main reasons you want to have insurance, just in the event in case you cannot afford those damages. Number 3 is workers' comp. You are required by federal to have workers' comp. If you have employees in your company, if they get injured, those employees could literally sue you for negligence, and then they could bury you in legal fees and medical bills. So definitely make sure you have workers' comp. Also, the federal government requires that you provide unemployment and disability insurance. Next thing is, what factor influence the cost of your insurance? A lot of factors involved on this, from your type of business. Like example, me again, I own in the tree service business, so my insurance is kind of high due to the high risk. Also involves how many employees do you have, the kind of equipment that you have, and the miles you drive every year. This all affects the cost of your insurance. So now, how do you get insurance? The first thing you want to do is make sure you find a commercial, reputable agent. Agents make commission by finding you insurance, so make sure it's an agent that are looking only for his best, for your best interest as well. Make sure you don't go with the first price. Make sure you shop around. There's different rates and you know, policy costs, so make sure you do your research very good and shop around. I prefer to have a local insurance company. I don't like those online insurance. I don't know where they are, who they are, and there's no office for me to go to, so I prefer pay a little more and get a local insurance company. Make sure also every year reassess your business. If you're growing tremendously, you might need different types of insurance. So make sure every year you reassess your company and look through all the paperwork and everything you have, and make sure you still have the proper insurance company for your business. You don't want to have too little of insurance but not also be paying extra for stuff you really don't need. And I'm going to conclude with the rest of the other 3 insurance companies. I'm actually going to go ahead and list all 6 of them right here for you guys. I just talked about the 3 most important one. This is what most service industries need. Extra ones here, they're for if you have a brick and mortar, like an actual store, etc. That doesn't apply to my kind of business, service industry, where I go serve the clients at their property. They don't come to me. But here's the list anyway, so you guys could run through it, because I did say that I was going to show you all 6 different ones. Also guys, I want to say that I'm shutting down 5 minutes with Kenny. It's just not enough content in the video to bring you guys value. The idea was to make a video on the 5 minutes, and it's just not enough time for me to talk here and give you valuable content like I want to do. Moving forward, this is a new show, and if you wonder what the name is, it's going to be a Small Business Talk with Kenny. It's all gonna be about running your small business like I do. I'm gonna show you about insurance, taxes, how to open your business, LLC, corporation, the whole thing, guys. There's a lot of stuff that goes into a small business, and a lot of us just don't know about it. And you know, it's boring and dry. I don't want to read about it, so I'm gonna come on here and talk to you guys about it. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure to hit the comment section. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep bringing the comments, because this is how I know what you guys want me to make a video about. This video, for example, was made out of a comment from one of the subscribers. That concludes this video, guys. I want to say I'm going to be making one of these videos every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you tune in every Wednesday to watch these kind of videos. The show again is going to be called Small Business Talk with Kenny, when I come on here and talk about business, how to open your business, structure of your business, taxes, what to pay, what not to pay, the whole thing, hiring employees. I mean, I'm going to go into everything. There's a lot of stuff on here that small business owners don't know about. We focus so much on the trade and forget about the business part, and I understand it's boring, so I'm here to show you what those are. And please hit the comment section if you have any comments for me. If you want me to make a specific video on something you're wondering about, I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you haven't, so like that way you get a video notification from me every time one comes up. I'm gonna try and make a video daily. It's not all gonna be about business talk. There's gonna be a lot of action videos, tree work, how-to videos, and equipment reviews, and God knows what else I come up with. So make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe, hit the like button so I can help me with the YouTube algorithm. And you know what, guys, I hope you enjoy the show, and I'll catch you on the next one.